Your customers are texting. With a 98% open rate, SMS is the one channel almost guaranteed to be read. But if your support team isn't set up to receive those messages, you're missing conversations entirely. Here's how to add SMS to your Zendesk support in 2026. SMS carries a 98% open rate compared to roughly 20% for email. That's not a small gap. It's a completely different level of reach. For urgent support issues or time-sensitive updates, text is the channel that actually lands. When customers text your support number, their messages automatically create tickets in Zendesk. Agents reply from the same workspace they use for every other channel, and the full conversation history lives alongside email, chat, and phone. No context switching required. There are two ways to enable SMS. Native Zendesk Text keeps everything in one place with no extra vendor to manage, but it has a roughly 250 notification per day limit and a 1,600 character cap. Third-party integrations add higher volume capacity, campaigns, and multi-channel messaging at added cost. If your team handles a modest SMS volume and wants everything inside Zendesk, the native text channel is the simplest starting point. If you need campaigns, broadcasts, or support across SMS, WhatsApp, and social channels simultaneously, a third-party integration is the better fit. Haymarket runs at $20 per user per month and connects to Zendesk via OAuth in minutes. It covers SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram in one shared inbox, with templates, AI message tuning, and campaign tools built in. A strong choice for teams that want multi-channel without heavy setup. TextLine installs as a top bar widget or ticket sidebar in Zendesk and includes HIPAA-compliant plans for healthcare teams. It supports conversation transfers between agents, private whisper notes, and built-in NPS and CSAT surveys, purpose-built for support workflows. Twilio is the platform that actually powers Zendesk's own native SMS channel. Direct API access starts at 0.0083 SAR per message and supports SMS, MMS, RCS, and WhatsApp across 180 countries. If you need custom workflows or global reach, Twilio gives you maximum control, but it requires technical expertise to configure. 3 steps to get started. Go to Admin Center, then Channels, then Talk and Email. Add an SMS-enabled phone number under Phone Numbers. Then toggle on Text in that number's settings and you're receiving texts as tickets. Set which groups or agents receive incoming SMS tickets, build auto-reply triggers for acknowledgements and routing rules, then send a test text to confirm everything creates correctly. Once that test ticket lands, you're live. If you're texting customers in the United States, A2P 10DLC registration is mandatory. It's a one-time $4 brand registration fee, plus a $15 campaign verification fee, with roughly $10 per month per use case after that. Unregistered numbers face message filtering and carrier blocks. Register before you launch. Easel AI reads your past tickets, help docs, and macros to draft replies across all channels, including SMS, directly inside Zendesk. Start with Copilot to have agents review AI-suggested replies, then graduate to the full AI agent to handle common requests autonomously. One-click setup, no developers required. SMS gives customers an easy way to reach you. Easel AI helps your team respond faster without adding headcount. Try it free for 7 days, real-time contextual responses, full Zendesk integration, no credit card required. Visit www.easel.ai to get started.